is a new month, 1st of April 2022. And even as Kenyans prepare for this year's national budget, economists are fronting for a substantial allocation to the agricultural sector if the country is to shake off the harsh effects of the drought that has in the northern parts ravaged that particular side of the country. KTN's Brian George Otieno examines just why agriculture will be vital as Kenyans struggle to put food on the table.
Kenya registered the best economic growth in East African region in 2021, recording an over 6% growth after surviving the aftershocks of COVID-19 pandemic, despite the stiff COVID measures put in place to contain the spread of the virus. In a pre-budget discussion with journalists, professionals from Ernst & Young expressed confidence in the Kenyan economic outlook, stating there are massive opportunities for growth. However, factors like the ravaging drought and other external factors pose a major threat.
In terms of the economy, we are seeing a recovery in the global economy. We are expected as that to continue, I think, as we get out of COVID. And we expect the 2021-2022 to actually be better than 2021. But of course, the other external factors like the war in Ukraine, we expect some hiccups in terms of how it's going to affect us.
Some of the sectors experts recommend a close watch on are the manufacturing sector, which had some of the worst hits in the pandemic, and agriculture, with fresh calls on subsidies on fertilizer and animal feeds to cushion farmers presently dogged by high input costs. Experts want more allocation to go towards agriculture. Agriculture in last year's budget got 60 billion Kenya shillings, which was 8 billion shillings up compared to the 2020-2021 fiscal year.
Last year, manufacturing grew substantially, almost the last quarter, almost 10%. So an impressive recovery for this sector. However, I foresee a couple of challenges. The issue of counterfeit remain a big challenge for manufacturing. The issue of input costs, whether it's electricity, whether it's raw materials that we import in, the exposures to FX, especially because most of our manufacturers still continue importing critical components. Some of the supply chains in manufacturing were highly disrupted during COVID. I suspect with the current geopolitical fallout, others may face supply chain challenges.
While lauding the outgoing regime's efforts in infrastructure development, the government's biggest task will be to manage the debt situation and lowering food prices, which will highly be premised on a predictable tax regime.
You can see we are looking at a big budget of 3.31 trillion Kenya shillings. Uhuru has done his spending quite well, with about 23 trillion in 10 years. So if you basically get all what he has spent, is 23.2. Is there likely to be an increase in budget? Of course, the elections are going to have the normal expenses, and then there'll be a slowdown in investment. Of course, we'll be looking at government trying to spend to stabilize the food prices and drought mitigation measures, poor weather outlook, and of course, supply chain disruption.
Economic watchers exuded confidence on the stance taken by the Monetary Policy Committee, which retained the base lending rate at 7%. Brian George Otieno, KTN News, Nairobi.
Well, to a story now that has left thousands guessing just what could be happening in the country as petrol stations grapple with stockouts.